Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a vacation leave letter. This letter serves as a formal request for time off from work, specifying the dates and reason for the leave. You should begin your letter by including your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Below that, add the recipient's details, including their name, designation, company name, and address. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter, such as request for vacation leave. Start your letter with a polite greeting, addressing the recipient by name. After that, write, "I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to formally request vacation leave from start date to end date due to brief reason, e.g., personal commitments or family vacation. I have ensured that all my ongoing tasks will be completed before my leave, and I will coordinate with my colleagues to ensure a smooth workflow in my absence. Please let me know if you require any further information, or if I need to complete any formalities before my leave is approved. I appreciate your time and consideration and look forward to your confirmation. Best regards, your name." Here's our sample vacation leave letter. You'll notice how it clearly states the request for leave, specifies the dates, and ensures a smooth workflow in your absence. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional leave request that increases the chances of approval. This letter helps your employer understand the reason for your leave and ensures proper planning during your absence. And with that, I end this video. If you found the writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on crafting professional letters.